Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're actually on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing. It's supposed to be getting multiple offers, so we're going to go check it out for a client. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2801 El Dorado North, just listed. This thing will be gone by the end of the day, so we're just kind of taking a look at it real quick. It's on the corner of El Dorado and Cisco South. Got a little bit of side parking over here. It's a pretty big corner lot. 3-car garage, look like 8-foot doors. Let's go check it out. Does have a pool. No junk around. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2001, 1,246 square feet. Sits on a nice corner lot. Just had a newer air conditioner, newer water heater. This does already have one offer, I've been told, and there's multiple showings a day. So it has to be a today, highest and best type scenario. So I just kind of got the run around here, or not the run around, the run through. The pool, it's a couple years old. They paid $65,000 for it. It's pretty nice. It's all automated. Got a nice lake view out the window. Kitchen's clean, all tile floors. This is a split floor plan. So you have the master at the rear of the house, vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. At your master bath, dual vanities, skylight. Got your standard shower tub combo. Got a really nice lake view and pool view out your master bedroom window. Maybe it'd be a cool idea to put a little double door here and access to the backyard. It's got a little walk-in closet. Oops, sorry. Yeah, bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Vaulted ceilings, just kind of your standard setup. Got your guest bath, pretty standard. Bedroom number 3. All pretty clean, carpet looks good. All right, so it has a 3-car garage. Looks like it's got a 21 and a 35-foot bay, both 8-foot doors. Has a new water heater, laundry hookups. So there was a leak in the roof and it's been repaired, and the drywall is scheduled for this week to get repaired, so that's all good to go. Got your softener, water heater, RO system. Here's your 35-foot bay. All right, so the pool is only a couple years old. They spent a ton of money on it, probably because they have a raised beam and it's got a retaining wall behind it. They probably did the gate. They did all the stamped concrete. I think they did the fire pit as well. And they automated the whole pool so you can operate the whole thing from your phone. Nice little outdoor kitchen, living area with power. So it's got a pretty killer lake view from the backyard. This is about what it looks like with the naked eye. Let me see if I can zoom here. There we go. Real nice. Nice little natural gas fire pit. Tons of side parking on this side. Tile roof on the roof. The pool is beautiful, spill pots. Obviously it's in excellent condition. It's brand new for the most part. It's got pop-up cleaners. Nice big hot tub, Baja shelf. It's like a vacant lot next door. Looks like you can technically blow out the back of the garage and put a drive-through door here. Pool equipment, heater,